here with another video. This is my way 7, how to make money online. So my way 7, my suggestion is sell websites on Flippa. Flippa is the entrepreneur's marketplace where you can discover new business opportunities. They are the leading #1 destination for buying and selling online businesses. Now, this is their website. I'm not logged in. I do have an account. The success of Flippa is supported by the passionate people that make up the team, from software development to customer support and assistant sales. Their job is to ensure that the users find the best entrepreneurial opportunities available. Flippa is part of the large and nurturing SitePoint family of startups that include 99 Designs, Influx.com, as well as SitePoint. Now, what Flippa does is you can go on here and there's people who are looking for websites that are already established. And they sell at different prices. They tell you their medium price that they're willing to accept. They tell you how long they've been in business. Let me log in so you can see. They'll tell you how long that they've been in business, how well established their website is. They'll tell you how much money they're generating. And sometimes they have the websites that's been around for a minute, they have a pretty high cost, but in return you'll make your return on your investment quickly. They already have established business where people are already going to their sites, so you don't have to build your brand. They already have a brand set for you. So for people who don't have time to build a brand or don't know what brand they want to build, Flippa is a nice place to go, and you can see all kinds of things from apps to websites that you can purchase that are already actively making money. So Flippa is my way 7. If you've enjoyed this information, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share with your family and friends. Thank you for listening, and I'll holler at you shortly.